Kia UVO is an intuitive operating system that makes life with your car easier. The name UVO is short for Your Voice and enhances the connection between the driver and their Kia. It all starts with the home screen. Large, easy-to-read icons make it easy for the user to select an item without distraction from the road ahead. You can operate the radio, climate controls, safety systems, and so much more from this screen. And when in doubt, simply hit the home button at the top of the display to get back to the home screen. Today, drivers are more connected to their smartphones than ever before, so Kia makes it easy to connect those devices with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Once connected, simply tap the CarPlay or Android Auto icon on the UVO screen to access them, and you can easily switch between these operating systems and UVO. Today's cars are more technologically advanced than ever before, but it's how the driver interacts with the system that is most important. Kia's UVO infotainment system is seamless and easy to use without distracting the driver. UVO is also found in every vehicle in the current Kia lineup, making Kia vehicles a tech-savvy option in the automotive market today.